Darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping
Hello,
left its seeds while I was sleeping.
this is Mary Ann talking,
And the vision that was planted
and I want to help y'all realize that many people out here, many people out here we're just losing control. And I just want to let you know we can have some fun when the people and the old men get home. I just want to help these people out, you know.
Touch the sound.
I just don't know what to do. I'm just tired. You know, I like to bust a couple moves on that Beyonce telephone. Bust that little Beyonce telephone. What she do? She bend over and whoa. She like to do that telephone. You know, Beyonce and Lady Gaga. Yeah, her name is Gaga. I love this song. This is how you get jiggy with it.